Students, let us start the chapter Application of Matrices to a System of Linear Equations. There are two types of equations here, homogeneous linear equations and non-homogeneous linear equations. First of all, we have given system of equations. We start with example number 1. Given system of linear equations आप बोल सकते हैं 2x माइनस 3y प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 9, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. x प्लस y प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 6, इक्वेशन नंबर 2. x माइनस y प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 2, इक्वेशन नंबर 3. दिस सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन which implies this system of equations can be written as in matrix form. In matrix form, Ax equal to b, Ax equal to b, where A is equal to matrix of order 3 by 3. In first row, the coefficients of x are, the coefficient of x, y and z are 2, minus 3, 1, correct one, 1, 1, 1, second row. Third row, equation number 3, 1, minus 1, 1. And x, number of unknown matrix, variable unknowns are, column matrix, number of unknowns 3, x, y, z, column having member x, y, z. And B, 9, 6, 2, column matrix. Now here we find the matrix A augmented B. We say matrix A augmented B. A augmented B. A matrix A 2 minus 3 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 augmented B 9 6 2. In this type we can find a new matrix A augmented B. Now we try to find rank of A augmented B matrix. Now we find to rank of A augmented B matrix. As we discussed in previous chapter, find the rank of matrix. In similar manner, here we can find the rank of A augmented B. We convert this matrix as a normal form. We convert this matrix as a normal form. Or echelon form. According to your book, in first example, we can convert this matrix as row echelon form. Number of unknowns, number of non-zero row. Now we calculate number of non-zero row. number of non-zero row. Now we have three cases arise. After find the rank of matrix, we have three cases arise. Number one, rank of A. Number one, case number one, either case number one, rank of A augmented B is equal to not equal to rank of A. Either in the second case or case number 2, rank of A augmented B equal to rank of A, or in the case number 3, rank of A is equal to rank of A augmented B less than n, that is number of unknowns. Number of unknowns. Number of unknowns. You can write this Name of the chapter is System of Linear Equations. In this system of linear equations, we have given equations. First of all, we write equation in matrix form. In
Matrix form.
that is Ax equal to B, where A is coefficient matrix and x is unknowns x, y, z and B is constants. After that, first of all, we form a new matrix that is called A augmented B matrix. A augmented.
B matrix.
Then, first of all, we calculate rank of A augmented B. Then automatic by row echelon matrix. Automatically we have rank of A also. Rank of A also. Then there are three cases. Then there are
Three cases.
case number 1, rank of A not equal to rank of A augmented B. Case number 2, rank of A augmented B equal to rank of A equal to n. N is, that is number of unknowns x, y, z. And case number 3 is rank of A equal to rank of A augmented B less than n, that is number of unknown. In the first case, there is no solution. In this case, there is a no solution of the equation, given equations. In the second case, there is a unique solution. In the second case, where rank of A augmented B equal to rank of A equal to rank of number of unknowns, all three are equal, then there is a unique solution of given system of equations. And last, third case, there are infinite number of solutions. There are infinite number of solutions. There are infinite number of solutions. Repeat all these. केस नंबर 1, बोलिए, रैंक ऑफ. In this case, answer is no solution. In the second case, in that is there is unique solution. And the last one, third case, and there exist infinite number of solutions. In our example number 1, after prepare row echelon form of matrix A augmented B, we have A augmented B equal to, बोलिए फर्स्ट रो augmented B, rank echelon form. After reduce it in row echelon form. 1 minus 1 1 2 0 2 0 4 0 0 minus 1 7. Here rank of A augmented B equal to 3 because number of non-zero rows, and after deleting B we can find rank of A also. You can see here rank of A equal to 3, that is, which implies rank of A augmented B is equal to rank of A. In this case, system of equation is having unique solution because this is also equal to number of unknown x, y, z, 3 here. Unique solution. Now we can find these unique solution, that is value of x, y and z also. In the first row in A augmented B matrix in row echelon form, first row, member of first row are 1 minus 1 1 2. Members are 1 minus 1 1 2. Equation becomes x minus y plus z is equal to 2. From second row 2y is equal to 4, that is y equal to 2. Equation number 1 2 3 are given in starting. Now equation 4 5 and 6. From last row minus z is equal to 7, equation number 6. Now equation number 4 gives, from equation number 4 we have value of x also. Value of x is 11. Value of x is, now unique solutions are, you can say x equal to 11, y equal to 2 and yes, which is answer.